Spanish way.
Yes.
And now we're gonna, from the scratch
The
cards.
winning ones.
That's
Oh, yeah.
what we've got them few
One,
that
two,
we won.
three, four.
4 cards out of all them.
Cards out of all that we had.
Yes, we're off to
We're
go
going
and
to cash them in and get some more.
yeah.
We're gonna
we
get.
might as well use them
We've
up.
got £19, so we're gonna get.
Might add £1 to it.
Might yeah.
Round it off.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay.
I want to do 9 £2 ones and one £1 one, which makes £19, doesn't it? 9
Why
times
not a £3 one and 8?
Oh, all right then.
8 £2 ones and a £3 one.
All right then. That's what we'll do. Yeah.
Off to get the cards. Okay. Just come back in from the shop. So I got my mask on. There we go. 8 of these ones. Christmas ones. Christmas countdown. That's
100,000.
That's the day. Christmas countdown. And 1 Winter Wonderlines.
Winter Wonderlines.
Wonderlines. Winter Wonderlines.
I thought he got it wrong then. I can't move my neck, by the way.
Whoopsie.
I've hurt my neck.
Tracy.
Oh, I'm in the
Go
wars.
from one thing to another.
I'm in the wars.
Yes.
I'm totally in the wars.
Sorry guys, that's why we haven't had any.
That's why we haven't had any
regular vlogs on.
Because I'm
It's
just,
hit and miss.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
And I've been hanging a couple of doors in DIY.
Oh yes, he has.
Tracy couldn't video
and
me
I couldn't
because
video because I couldn't move my head. Can't move my neck properly.
I'll show you anyway.
I sound as if I've got a cold now that I'm talking.
Almost just the door that needed adjusting from upstairs, wasn't it?
Yeah, George's bedroom door that he just keeps slamming.
And
the other one is the new door that we've had for months.
There for a while. Yeah, because
but
the other
he's
jobs.
had a lot to do. I'm not complaining. He's had a lot to do.
Yeah, you better not complain. You've got another job for me as well.
Yeah,
haven't you?
well, you've got to have a handle on the door, haven't you? Bloody
not
hell.
just that.
What? Oh yeah.
There's another package in the house there waiting to be done.
Well, I've saved us some money by doing this because whoa, sorry about that. And watch me neck.
What's your neck? I'm not driving over your neck.
No, it feels like you're off. Yeah, I wanted wooden blinds. Or well, actually, I wanted wooden shutters, but we couldn't afford wooden shutters. So wooden blinds, right? This is the man who can fit wooden blinds for us. Saved us. I've saved us a fortune by being very good
and giving me
researcher.
jobs to do.
And Colin has saved us another fortune by also being very good with DIY. So you know, we are a good pair, aren't we?
The right pair.
We are a right pair.
Yes, anyway. So
anyway, we're going home.
More DIY vlogs to be doing. Well, I'll show you bits of anyway.
Yeah. I was going to say, do you want to see the Liverpool Stadium? But you don't really see much of it this side, do you?
Well, you're not going to see much, are you?
No. Never mind. Okay, see you back home.
Okay, guys.
You know what you're doing?
Well, no, because you usually do the gambling in this house. Winter Wonderlines first. Only got one of them. It is symbols. Scratch these ones off here first, and it's like a bingo thing. So she tells me to match them over there. So here goes. See what we got here. Okay, so earmuffs. Earmuffs. Scratch this one off. Boots. Boots. They boots, yeah, I think.
Where?
Yeah. Mask. Don't see no mask there, you.
No.
Money bag.
What's that? Is that a mask? Yeah.
Is it? Well, yeah, it just doesn't look like that, does it?
Doesn't it?
Mm. Just now. Didn't you, did you?
Got your very best glasses on.
Oh, these are terrible. You told me to get these.
Oh yeah, I'll get
Money
these.
bag. bag there. Money bag over here. Star.
First one.
Superstar. Takes you itching to do this.
I'm not.
Mitten.
I just said you can do
I
it.
know, girl. Hi guys. Casey's trying to wake George up out of bed.
In the dark.
Yes. Watching a bit of Resort TV. I can't hear it though. This is London.
No.
Hang on in there, baby. Now that we caress. Snacky poo. Snacky poo, snacky poo. Oh, honey, let me dance with you. Get a variety of music in this house. Let's drum Tracy. Oh no, it's the Hoover. There's the castle there. Your TV. Come on from work. I want a peaceful day. My God. You hear that? Oops. What now?
Forgettable.
Hit the floor and crawl to your daddy.
Daddy started out in feet with a tingle in your fingers and a tingle in your feet. Rhythm in your bedroom, rhythm in the street. Yes, the rhythm of life is a powerful beat.
Oh my God, I hate this song.
80s special.
Sorry guys, can't leave it on.
What a shame.
Because we get a strike, won't we? Copyright. Ha. May we. Oh yes, Sherry. You smile at me and all Paris just seems to lie. Where'd my voice go then? Uh-oh. Love it.
Oh yes, Sherry.
Love it.
Your kisses say you love the way.
It was a night. Ooh, what a night it was. It really was such a night. The moon was bright. Sailed to my lips, to my arms, and then you know yours. Forgot the words then. It's been as easier.
Oh yes. I have been a fabulous DJ in my life.
Yes. Yes. Scratched all my records.
Not all.
No. Some of them.
Not all.
No. You just put that on for us, girl. Just switch this.
Yeah.
Your father gonna get you tape. You're gonna break my heart again.
How long do you get?
You just asked, how long can you play it for? I'm not sure. Just keep it to yours.
Your next band.
Sweet talk. My everything. Never mind, we're mad. Wouldn't mind, we haven't even had a drink. You see us when we have a drink. She's back, she's gonna sing. Oh yeah.
Your next band.
I'll get out of it.
It is.
Yeah.
He's still not up after all this
No.
disco going
All that
on.
going on, it's just...
He's just staying there.
Anyway guys, I need a shave. So
Yes.
I'm going for a shave.
Good.
Okay.
Hello, Colin.
Hello Tracy.
Oh, poor Colin, he's tired today. Aren't you, love?
A bit of work.
He's been to work. He's
All
done
by
it
myself.
all on his own today. Delivered 100 parcels all on his own. Oh, not because I'm lazy, because I had to stay in because my oven was getting sorted, wasn't it?
Yes.
And now the oven's fixed and I've made bread.
Good.
Yay. Anyway,
Yeah, so the door's on.
door's on.
Let's see.
Woohoo! Nice door. Yeah. He's just
Just cutting out
the
for
holes for the handles.
the lock and
Let's
handle.
show our lovely handle.
There's,
It's going to be
see?
yes, very nice. I searched high and low on the internet for
It's
these
Art Deco handles.
Art Deco handles. They actually cost more than what the door cost, but never mind. They are very nice. And if we do ever leave this house, we're taking them with us.
Should look
Aren't we?
something like that.
That's what it's going to look like here. I think they're very special.
Yeah. So,
Nice.
I'll show you when it's on.
Let's hope they look
Aye.
as good as what they're supposed to look. Make sure you do a good job and protect them.
Cheeky. You want to do it?
No, I wouldn't want to show you up.
No.
See you in a minute then.
I like it.
Anyway, I forgot to tell you, right? I ordered a few things off JD Williams. I don't know whether anyone else uses JD Williams, but they have like a what's it called, Colin? Like a reward thing,
Yeah,
right? So
like
an incentive to buy. Yeah, that's what it is. So there was a few different things, and I clicked on one of them. I bought a few things, and I clicked on one of these rewards, and it said it was out of stock. So I thought, oh, it doesn't matter then. There's nothing else I wanted there. Anyway, a couple of days later, I got a notification, didn't I?
Yeah.
A notification email to say that the thing that I actually wanted is available, and it come yesterday, and it's all right. I'll show you. So it's a box of 60 pastel coloured baubles, tree decorations. There's a set of like blue aqua beads. There's these like icicle things, tiny little baubles. There's a pink star, which I won't use that, but there's lots of other things that I probably will use in some room. But there's like them pink, that nice, like, what would you say that pink is? Like a dusty pink. And there's like that nice blue, and I am going to be using some of them blue ones, because I'm using some blue on my tree this year, aren't I, to match me curtains and cushions in here. So that's really good, isn't it? For free. For free.
Everything's good for free.
Yeah. So have a look on JD Williams. See what you might be able to get.
See what we can get for free.
See what you can get for free. You have to buy something first, though, Colin. They don't just give you it for nothing. So, but if you were going to buy something anyway, then it's
See what you can get for
good.
free.
Exactly, yeah. So there you go. Happy to help.
Okay, sounds done. Some handles. I'm going to take my boots off, my slippers on, and get me tea. The waiter's on. And Casey's on the phone to her mother. But here you go. Handles on. I'd rather I'm in the light here to show you. Nice. Art Deco style handle. There you go. What size thing? Oh, nice.
Ask my phone, please.
She's got to paint it on now.
No, I don't think so, because it's not how I want it yet.
Got to paint it on now, haven't I?
Yeah, you got to paint it on, but you haven't do that. Not today. You don't have to do that today.
Do that another time, yeah.
Do it.
But you want to get the other two doors on.
No, not then. You have to get it done before Christmas.
Oh my god.
Oh, Colin, I've got to put my garlands around
And
that
we've got
door.
what? What have we got? Look that standing there behind you. I've got this as well. The zoo.
Blind.
Plus got to go to work every day of the week.
Oh,
7 days a week it's coming up to now. Come home and do this.
that's your fault.
And the log. And we're going to do all this.
Can I get past there, please?
Okay.
Thanks.
There we go. I don't know what we're on for our tea, do we?
We don't know yet.
We'll decide. Hey guys.
Right, we're ending this vlog here.
We are, yes. We haven't
We
been in.
apologise.
Yeah.
We apologise for not being on. I know some people have been messaging and asking. We're okay. We're fine. We're not sick.
Yeah.
We felt a bit haven't we? There's
We
been a
have
lot
had
of
little
things.
bits of illnesses going
Yeah,
on.
there's been a lot of
I
things.
had the flu jab, so I was a bit
So
not
Colin's
well.
not been well because of that.
Yeah.
But there's been other things that have gone on in the background that we won't bore you with. Quite a lot of things have gone wrong, haven't they? So vlogging has not been our
Some personal
thing,
things, this
yeah.
and the other one. We will
So-
tell you them in another vlog.
yeah.
You'll understand why. Like, you know.
Oof, fluff, yeah. So thanks for sticking with us anyway, and we will be back.
Thanks for all those
properly.
people who subscribed.
Yes, we are. We are quite. I don't know what the word is. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
We are quite us.
We are us. Yes, we are dozy. He's dozy.
She's dozy.
We're both dozy.
No,
Anyway,
you're dozy.
I'm glad that it's nice to have been missed, isn't it? But I apologise for being.
Thanks for
gone.
missing us, guys. You know. We missed yous.
Yeah, but we have been.
I haven't been myself since I haven't seen yous.
I know. I don't know who he's been. Anyway, you're nuts. You know it. They know it.
No,
Yeah.
they're my friends.
Oh, they're my friends. Anyway, we'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully, we're doing something tomorrow.
We'll get back onto it. Get vlogging. Plus, we'll do Vlogmas.
Yeah.
We've
Got
got
a
a
few
couple of
things.
ideas and things.
Got a few things planned. Yeah. Oh, and I'd just like to say as well, a great big happy birthday
Yes.
to our beautiful girl Ebony.
Yes.
Is 16 today. Ebony, have a
Happy
lovely
birthday,
day.
Eb.
Happy birthday. We love you millions.
Yes, we do.
And we always will. So.
You know that.
Mhm.
And also, big hi to Courtney.
Oh, hi Courtney, especially Courtney, yes, because she's got
She's
given us
given us loads of ideas.
some good
here.
ideas, yeah. So thanks for
YouTube.
that, Courtney. She'll be coming on the.
She'll
on
be
board
getting
with
a job with
us.
us.
Yeah.
So, right guys, we'll end the vlog. We'll see you in the next one. But if you like it, don't forget to subscribe
Please do.
and hit the notification bell, and you'll
Please do.
you'll know when we got our next video out.
Yeah. And comments.
Yes,
Keep
share.
the comments coming. Keep sharing.
Yeah,
Keep
give us a thumbs up.
thumbsing up. Not
And we'll
thumbs
see you
down.
soon.
Makes me frown. Ah, that rhymed. Oh, dear.
Crazy.
Anyway.
See you soon,
See you
guys.
soon.
Bye for now.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Goodbye.
Look at you, panic.